setting along the historic Route 66. Every time we stop by Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas, it's like seeing a friend wear a completely different outfit. The only constant change is the layers of paint that tell thousands of stories, and no two visits are ever truly the same. Join us as we explore this ever-changing, iconic landmark. As we start our walk along the parking area, you'll notice the barbed wire fence has become a gallery on its own. Visitors leave behind locks, old clothes, and even car parts as spontaneous tributes that serve as personal mementos. It's more than just a roadside stop, it's a living canvas and a symbolic shrine where every mark left behind is a way of saying, "I was here." If you enjoy traveling and exploring, like and subscribe to our channel to help support it. This is also a great place to get out and stretch your legs if you're traveling along the highway. From the parking lot, the walk is about a block long to the cars. Cadillac Ranch was created in 1974. Interestingly, it was actually moved in 1997 to its current location, which is 2 miles further west to stay ahead of the growing city of Amarillo. It was the brainchild of a group of artists from San Francisco called the Amp Farm. The car lineup starts with a 1948 model and ends with a 1963 model. They were chosen to show the evolution of the Cadillac tail fin. All 10 Cadillacs are buried nose first at an angle that supposedly matches the slope of the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. You will see peeks of some of the professional photos I took while we were there. It had been about 8 years since we were last here, and we were amazed to see how much paint is on the cars now. It's getting so thick that the paint looks like it's dripping off from the weight. The creators want the public to interact with the cars. They see the graffiti as a way for the monument to stay alive, rather than becoming a static, dusty old relic.
Foot worth of paint, man. That's not a foot worth of paint.
Today, this remains one of the most visited and photographed landmarks along the entire length of Route 66.
Saint in the membrane.
From Hollywood films to music videos to high fashion photo shoots, these cars are one of the most photographed art installations in the world. Did you know occasionally they will paint all the cars one solid color to celebrate an event or to provide a fresh canvas for new artists? As you leave, check out the graffiti along the parking area. The colorful messages left behind on the pavement are the final echoes of the interactive journey. Feel free to check out my professional photos, and we'll see you on the next journey.